here is how you can send a group text on the Android platform. Let's get started and let me show you how it works. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss anything. So as you know, there are multiple messages app which you can use. There is, for example, in my case, the Samsung messages as well as the Google messages. So you can switch between them and choose one of them to be the default, but I recommend you to pick the Google messages where you have the ability to get inside, tap on the new message button in the bottom right corner like that, and you can now basically pick from your contacts. And by default, you are choosing one person, but there is literally the button to create a group, right? So you can go there, tap that button, and add multiple people now. So if you go like this, you can basically add more and more people to be part of this conversation, and that's how you can create a group text. So this would be the first thing. Outside of that, it heavily depends on whether or not you are using the RCS feature or not, because if you have just a regular text message, then you are just sending the very same message to multiple people, separately. You have it here put together nicely, but, they all get a separate text message from you, right? So that is the first thing that you have to pay attention to. And you can see that when you go to the main messages app, tap on your profile and go to the settings, the RCS is right there and at the top, so you have to make sure it is turned on, and it's also going to give you the status of your SIM card if it's supported or not. But when you have the proper RCS, then it's going to behave like a regular group chat with read receipts, and everybody will be able to contribute. And of course, the messages can contain photos, videos, whatever. So that's the important part. That's how you can create a proper group chat. So let me know what you think. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.